From is a static method that creates a new array, but keep in mind it's a shallow copied array from an array-like or an iterable object. So what does that mean? I think this is one of those you just need to kind of see the example and you'll be like, oh, this is how it works. So we're going to type array in here and from, and we have Bernie. So what this is going to do is going to take this string right here, since it's an iterable array-like object, and it's going to make an array out of it. So let's do that. And we have Bernie down here, which is pretty cool. Let's come up here, since this is an array, right? It's an array-like because it is an array. Let's take this and move it down here. All right, so we have an array and then we made an array from it. Now keep in mind that if we're assigning this value somewhere else, since it's shallow copied, whatever we do with the new constant or whatever we do with the values coming from here, it's still going to reference to these values here since it's a shallow copy. But we could do other interesting stuff with this too. Let's come in here and let's do this. Since we have the numbers, let's do something simple. So not only can we make arrays from, or should I say shallow copied arrays from iterable objects and array-like structures, we could also pass in as a second argument here a function. So as we have these arrays, maybe we want to make some kind of alteration from that. And so as a second argument, you could do that. These are pretty interesting. If you like what I'm doing, like, share, subscribe, and see you in the next video.